Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to knit cables, specifically C4F, a left slanting cable, and C4B, a right slanting cable. I'll show you how to knit them with and without a cable needle, like so. To break down the abbreviation, the C stands for cable, obviously. The 4 for the amount of stitches the cable has, so here it has 4 stitches. And the F and the B stands for front or back. You'll divide if the cable has an even amount of stitches, as it does here, 4. You divide it by 2, and then you hold the first 2 either in your front or in the back of the cable. So first up we have the C4F. You put the first half of the cable stitches on your cable needle, as so, and you hold them in front. Then you knit the second half of the cable stitches off of your left needle and slip them onto your right needle. And then you go back to your cable needle, put them at the edge, and then you knit the cable stitches off, the last 2. And there you have it. Now we're going to do the C4B. You take the first half of the cable stitches off of your left needle onto your cable needle, and then you hold the cable needle in the back of your work, so behind everything. And you just knit the second half of the cable stitches off your left needle and slip them onto your right needle, as so, and then keep an eye on this one so you don't twist everything, and then you just knit the cable stitches off your cable needle. There you are. There. And now I'll show you how to do the cables without a cable needle. I usually do without because I find the cable needle kind of messes up my flow, but you just knit however is more comfortable for you. You do you. So I just take these 2 halves and I kind of switch places. So these 2 have to be in front of the work, so I'm just with the right needle, go behind them, go into the loops of the stitches of the second half, pinch the first 2 at the root in a way so they don't disintegrate. Slip all 4 off of the needle, of your left needle, and then the 2 I have pinched, slip those 2 back onto my left needle, like so. These 2 on my right needle, slip them back onto the left needle, and they've now actually traded places, and so now I can just knit them in a different order. And there you have it. So now I'll just go to the other cable. So these 2 have to be in the back, so I'm putting them behind my right needle, taking the loops of the second half of the cable stitches, pinching the first set so they don't fall apart, slip all 4 off, slip the ones I'm pinching back, so you can see it, back onto the left needle, like so. I can let them loose, and put these 2 also back onto my cable, and they've now traded places and they're all on my left needle, so now I just knit them up. And there you have it, and you can't tell the difference really if you use the cable needle or not. So this is my video on how to knit C4F and C4B cables. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I post new tutorial videos. Hit that like button and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JaneJamesKnitwear.